Students, today we will discuss the first year topic, that is the structure of nucleosome. So nucleosome is part of DNA. The nucleosome in DNA or in nucleus accommodated in number of helix. Actually, the structure of DNA is the distance of DNA is near about 2.2 meters, that accommodated in cell as helix manner. In that, the structure of nucleotide group called nucleosome. So if you see the structure of nucleosome, it is arranged in nucleus as beads on string. Beads on string. In prokaryotes, the structure of nucleosome or nucleus or DNA arranged as not scattered manner, and the DNA in prokaryotes double-stranded circular shaped, so that in prokaryotes the DNA called nucleoid or genophore. So in different organisms, the length of DNA in E. coli or number of nitrogen base pairs in E. coli is about 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6, and the length of DNA or diploid DNA in human being is 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9 nitrogen base pairs, that is equal to 2.2 meters. So this much of length of DNA is accommodated in nucleus as helix manner. When we come to the eukaryotic structure, eukaryotic DNA, the eukaryotic DNA organization is very complex one, and this DNA is negatively charged. So the DNA is surrounded by positively charged histone proteins. These histone proteins are 5 types: H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. So these are the 5 types of histone proteins which are positively charged, that surrounded by DNA sequence which is negatively charged. So histone proteins are rich in amino acids as lysine and arginine. It means lysine, arginine rich in amino acids of histone proteins. When the nucleosome is, when we observe the single nucleosome that contain about 200 nitrogen bases, so it is about 200 nitrogen bases of DNA wrapped over octamer. So what is octamer? Octamer means the four types of histone proteins which get paired, so that these 4 pairs of histone proteins called histone octamer. So this histone octamer wrapped by DNA, this DNA contain near about 200 nitrogen base pairs, and the DNA sequence wrapped around the histone octamer is about 1 3 by 4th turn. So 1 3 by 4th turn of DNA around the histone proteins called nucleosome. So nucleosome means DNA sequence and histone octamer is called nucleosome. So the DNA length is near about 1 3 by 4th turn, that wrapped around histone octamer. Histone octamer means 4 types of histone proteins which are get paired. Example H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. These 4 get paired. So that the definition of nucleosome is DNA sequence, and histone octamer is called nucleosome. So number of nucleosomes arranged in nucleus as beads on string. As beads on string. In cytoplasm, these nucleosomes arranged as beads on string, and one nucleosome size is about 11 into 6 nanometers. When we observe the structure of nucleosome, 2 adjacent nucleosomes linked with each other by linked DNA or H1 histone. So H1 histone present between 2 successive nucleosomes. It acting as linked DNA. It contains near about 54 base pairs, nitrogen base pairs. So the chain of nucleosomes. So number of nucleosomes leads to form chromatin fiber or chromatin. So when we observe the chromatin in DNA, it has 2 regions differentiated on the basis of staining method. So when we stain the chromatin fiber, it differentiated 2 major regions. One is euchromatin, second one is heterochromatin. So there are few differences between euchromatin and heterochromatin. One is euchromatin is wrapped around the histone octamer very loosely. Come to the heterochromatin wrapped around histone octamer very tightly or densely, and euchromatin is loosely arranged, and it is lightly stained, and heterochromatin is darkly stained or bright color. So euchromatin is involved in transcription process very actively. So euchromatin is the active region in euchromatin for transcription process. Heterochromatin is not participate in transcription process. So heterochromatin is inactive in transcription process. So actively participated in transcription process is euchromatin only. So this is the active region in chromatin. So chromatin is very important genetic material. It has the codes in the form of genes. So these are the parts which are involved in inheritance process. Inheritance means characters transfer from one generation to the another generation. Thank you.